There's a lot of money to be made in this industry, and I personally am not giving up, and I don't want you to give up. That's why I want you guys to have a never give up mentality. Hey guys, this is MAKIA FOREX. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to become profitable in forex trading in 2023. This is my strategy. This is my my own kind of like something I came up with that's going to help you guys to become profitable in this season. So the first thing I want you guys to know is that, please, if you want to become a profitable forex trader, please create systems, not goals. I mean, forget about your goals. First of all, focus on your system. Let's give an example. Let's say my goal is to make $100 a day. Let's give it a very small amount, $100 a day in forex trading. Okay, what do? Every morning I get up at a particular time. Let's say I get up at 4 a.m. I watch my charts, I do my analysis from 4 to 5. Let's say I do my analysis from 5 to 6. I can like freshen up, go to the gym, do all those things from 6. That's a system. Okay, it's not just like, it's not a goal, it's a system, because you are trying to like bring out a routine that you do every single day. Because most people have goals but they don't have a routine. Guys, there's a gap between you and your goals, and the only bridge through that gap is discipline. And you can only become disciplined if you're having a system. So you have to create a system of things that you have to be doing so that you can be able to achieve your goal within a short period of time. That's the first thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do is that you have to develop a winning mindset. It's good for you to develop a winning mindset whenever you are a forex trader. I mean, some of the times, right, you always find yourself in losing positions, but how you react to those losing positions is important, because winners never quit. Winners never quit, if you know what I'm saying. You always have to be thinking about, okay, I'm gonna be successful no matter what. That's why it's also good for you to also have affirmations, also for you to listen to motivational speeches to help you to boost up your mentals, so that in case you get down, because sometimes you have bad days, sometimes you have emotional days. We all do that, we all have those days. The only thing that will push you to keep going is the willpower. So it's also good for you to have a very, very good winning mindset when you are a forex trader. The next thing I want you guys to do is that you have to create a proper risk management plan. 95% of forex traders lose money in the market. Some of the time, most of them blow their accounts, and the main reason is because they don't have a good risk management plan. Before talking about your strategy, you will need to first of all have a risk management plan. Let's say if I have $1,000, right, and I'm trading forex, that's a small account, $1,000, right? If you're following your risk management plan and you don't lose more than 1% of your account, it means that you have 100 trades. You have 100 trades. Most of the time, people don't even have up to 100 trades. If they have $1,000, they'll have about 4 or 5 trades to blow the account, 3 trades to blow the account, 10 trades to blow the account. But if you're following a risk management plan, it gives you time to be able to analyze yourself. Let's say I have $1,000, right? That means that per trade, I will not lose more than $10. Let's say if I'm having X strategy, if I lose up to 30 trades, it means that my strategy is bad. Okay? If I lose up to, because like you have to keep trading, like you train like, let's say 2 to 3 trades a time, you see the results. If you lose up to 30 trades, or if you lose up to 50 trades in that $1,000 account, it means that your strategy is a bad strategy, because strategies are not supposed to be on a straight losing streak, if you know what I'm saying. Sometimes you have some winning streaks and you have some losing streaks, but if you're losing consistently, you will know that you are actually a bad trader and you're having a bad strategy, or there's something wrong, or there's something that's wrong with you in particular. So I think if most forex traders could focus more on their risk management plan, or let's say they take forex not as a means to get rich quick, they could focus on improving themselves. Take forex as a means to improve yourself. Let's say if you have $1,000, right, and you're trading, try to improve yourself. Try to like watch how you're improving in trading. Don't try to like use that amount of money to, let's say, get rich quick. That's why I said if you are having a proper risk management, you'll be able to know what is wrong with your account, because you will not even get to the level that you blow your account for you to identify your mistake. The next thing is your psychology. Never give up. I mean, you have to have a psychology where you never give up no matter what. You know, a lot of us, right, we know this industry. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's bad, sometimes we have good days, we have bad days. But in case if you have to get to a level where you blow your account, guys, never give up. The forex industry is a very, very wealthy industry. I mean, 6 to 8 billion. Is it billion or trillion? Trillion is being traded daily. Guys, that's a lot of money. And you can't tell me that even $1 million, you can't struggle to make $1 million out of that $6 trillion that has been traded daily. No. There's a lot of money to be made in this industry, and I personally am not giving up, and I don't want you to give up. That's why I want you guys to have a never give up mentality, okay, when you're trading forex, and it comes with your psychology. The next thing is the winning edge strategy. I didn't say have a good forex strategy, I said a winning edge strategy. When I mean the winning edge strategy, it means that you have to have a strategy that is gonna have a high win ratio. If you know what I'm saying. You may have a good strategy, yeah. Most of the time we have some good strategies in the market. They may have about 67% win ratio or win percentage. Okay, some have like about 53%, some have about 40%. You can still have a strategy of 40% and you become profitable from the market, if you know what I'm saying. But when I mean a winning edge strategy, it means that your strategy should have about 80% win ratio, or let's say win percentage, 80 to 90%. I mean that you have to actually back test, forward test, and actually trade in a long period of time, journal your trades and see how that strategy is helping you to make money from the market. That's why I said it's good for you to have a winning edge strategy in order for you to be profitable in this forex industry. The next thing is that please don't rush the process. Trust the process. A lot of you guys are trying to use 21 days to make $1 million from the industry. A lot of you guys are trying to use like 21 days to make $100,000 from the industry, or 1 year to make 100,000. Don't rush the process. Take it slowly. Try to consistently grow your account, and do not try to always, try to chase trade or trying to compare yourself with other people you see online. The only competition you should have is with yourself. So try to improve yourself in your forex trading. Don't try to compare yourself with other people online having this amount of money, having these cars, having these houses, or living these flashy lives. That is not the goal of forex trading. The goal of forex trading is to improve yourself and for you to be consistently profitable in the long term, so that you do not quit this industry, if you know what I'm saying. So please trust the process, don't rush the process. The next thing is to shut off the noise. Guys, like there's so much of noise in this industry, and it doesn't really talk about the noise, let's say the news and all these things. It also goes down to your charts, okay? That's why I always do my analysis in a high time frame, or let's say like, yeah, in a high time frame, because I'm trying to shut off the noise. There's a lot of noise when you're trading in the lower time frame. There's a lot of noise when you go to your Instagram and you're seeing guys posting and flexing and enjoying themselves, talking about how much they made, how they drive these cars, or how they do these things, or how they spend this amount of money in the club. Shut off the noise, because you're trying to improve yourself. Forex trading is a personal journey. It's not a journey that people have to, and even if you become successful in this thing, you don't have to go around and brag. When you have high self-esteem, you don't try to show off to people. You try to work on yourself, you try to preserve yourself, you try to improve yourself as time goes on. So please, shut off the noise. Turn off Instagram, turn off YouTube, turn off all the distractions, your WhatsApp and all these things when you're trading also, because these things also distract you. If you're so emotional, please, you can't be trading forex, because this game is for people that are not emotional. So these are the few things that I've written down. I know there are more coming up in the days, because like these are just like general things, right? But I'll come down to the chart where I'll tell you guys some few things that you have to work on your charts in order for you to be successful in this industry this year. So with that said, what do you think about this video? It was MAKIA Forex, and this is Baby MAKIA. This is my channel, and I talk about forex trading. So if you want to watch more of these videos, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and also leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.